So my customer calls me, said there's an audible alarm on the boiler. And I unplugged it, and the alarm's still going off. But I think it's a stupid bike. No, but he had water leaking. So, as you can see, the floor's wet. He said he shot me a video this morning. It's coming right out the bottom of the boiler. And I was just out here doing a flush. Just out doing a flush, and let's see. Water was coming right down the gas line, but I don't see any evidence of water. With this greasy stuff. Strange. Let me go get a bag of tools. Alright, so now we're back together. Tighten that cap up. I'll have to get another vent, but let's run the domestic and see if it does it again. Hold on. Got the domestic running. Well, it was coming out of that cap, so we'll have to get another vent for the top of the pump. And also, he's saying something about this thing. He's smacked it up real good. Let's see. Can it be fixed? Oh, he wasted that thing. I don't think it's savable. We wasted the whole... Oh no, that's wasted. Wow. The whole thing is... Oh, I just broke it more. Oh, he tried to super glue it. That's what it was. Holy crap, this thing's a train wreck. That's it. There's nothing to it. It's broken. Broken. making sure it's hollow. No leaks. Alright, so it's running right now. Got no leaks anywhere. Let me go turn on the domestic. It's coming right out the top there. That's weird. It's coming right out of the top of that vent. I'll have to get him a replacement vent. That was weird. I've never seen that one before. But that's good. At least I know it's not a heat exchanger. I didn't touch that when I was in there last time. Wasn't even near it. Well, that's it for this one. This is the one I was out doing a flush on. It had nothing to do with that side of what I was doing. I wasn't even working on that. And then all of a sudden it comes up as he's leaking water all over. So he called me like 6 last night. I called him back about 8:30 because I was down. I just got back from the hospital, and he's like, "I got water leaking everywhere." I'm like, "Oh no." So I told him to start feeling, you know, the blow-off valves. Actually, this one here. I told him to feel around the auto vent, and down here at the backflow preventer, the vent there, and the TNP up here for the domestic. And he's like, "I don't have any water." So, and then he shows it, takes a video of it this morning, and shows me it's running down here. So that's it for this one. Here's the dog that likes birds, man. No, you gotta stay in here. You can't go with me, man. Where are the birds at? You got the birds? Where are the treats? You're just a happy doggy. Alright, that was kind of a, I'm not gonna say strange. I mean, this stuff happens to those auto vents. There's just no way around it. I mean, it is what it is. I've never seen it pour water out of it, though. I mean, well, probably a lot of people have. It wouldn't be an uncommon thing. But when I was talking to him last night, he said there's like this audible noise. He's like, I unplugged everything and it's still making a noise. I'm like, I don't know what the heck you're talking about. And then I get in there, I unplug everything myself. I thought it was like a water screamer. That's, you know, you put them on the floor and they're like battery operated, and they make a screeching noise when the thing gets wet, so you know, hey, I got water on the floor. But it wasn't that. It was just very strange. I've never, I mean, there's an exercise bike making noise right there. It's just, yeah, very strange. Very strange. So we got that figured out, as you can see. And, yeah, I just got to order an auto vent for it, for the pump. We'll get out there and change it out. Not a big deal. You know, and that'll get rid of the leaking problem. And I don't think that water, I don't think that water, or that pump, well, I think it runs all the time. But it would run in high speed for domestic. Maybe. I'm not sure. I can't remember off the top of my head. But it just seems kind of odd that they would start leaking after I did maintenance. And I didn't even touch it. I wasn't even over there looking, touching anything there. It just sucks. You work on something and then a week later it's like something else happens to it you didn't even touch. But whatever. So we'll get that ordered, get back out here, pop it in. It's only, you take a retaining pin out, you pop the vent out, you pop the new one in, all on O-ring, pop the retaining pin back in, and you're done. All you gotta do is take some pressure off the boiler, that's it. That'll be a simple fix. But that's it for this one. You guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe for my son. Trying to beat cancer. He's in the hospital right now while I'm out working. Nothing I can do. I gotta work. I gotta work to pay the bills, unfortunately. It's like everyone. They gotta work to pay the bills. But I'm just in a crappy situation. So you guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFundMe, the Venmo, the Zelle. Any questions, comments, hit them down in the section. And I will see you on the next one.